Hello guys. In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best indoor security cameras available on the market. We made decision our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notification. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Nio Cam 360 Smart Indoor Security Camera. In a way, the Nio Cam 360's most amazing feature is the price. Able to turn and track pets and people, including babies, it's ideal for nurseries without imposing too much of a threat to the wallet. Not only that, but it's not a ploy for cash later. It can record to a local memory card, albeit with a slightly crude downloading process, so it can be used without becoming a long-term drain on a tight budget. You can also choose Nooie's cloud service, which is based on Amazon Web Services storage and costs a very reasonable $10 a year per device for 7 days. Despite the relatively low cost, the app is clean and easy, based on a QR code scan to set up, if you've got 2.4 GHz B/G/N Wi-Fi available. The video has a typical security camera frame rate of 15 frames per second, perfectly watchable when you swipe your phone screen left or right to remotely rotate the device. The solid base means the two-way audio sounds okay, and with 2 LEDs illuminating the night vision. Reasons to buy. Follows movement. Great value. Supports Alexa voice control. Reasons to avoid. After turning to follow motion, does not reset. Clips could be easier to read from microSD. No support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Number 2. Blink Indoor Wireless Security Camera. A relatively recent addition to the Blink line is a refreshed indoor model which strips the weatherproofing, but still offers power from 2 AA cells rather than USB. Setting this up can be considerably less irksome than running another cable around your home, and like its Blink outdoor cousin, the battery will manage an impressive 2 years, though only if it's not triggered too often. The camera is 1080p, so it holds up against others. On the downside, you can't record an extended live view without pressing a button on your app, but the software is well designed, and it's easy to use features like the two-way talk. The app makes it straightforward to limit alert regions as well as time and sensitivity for the motion trigger. You can even mark areas for non-recording for privacy or, at the other end of the scale, disable the camera's blinking status light for discretion. A mount is included in the box. As with the Blink Mini, you can record footage locally, but the sync module too is essential. Not optional and necessary with your first Blink camera, that's why you'll see them sold in kit and add-on camera packs. Reasons to buy. No wires. Extensive sensitivity options. Reasons to avoid. Narrower view than Mini. 30-second clip length default limit. Batteries drain faster in busier homes. Number 3. Wyze Cam Pan 360 Degrees Indoor Security Camera. The original Wyze Cam compact cubic camera could do a lot for comparatively little, so where could they go next? It turned out that, while staying true to the competitive pricing, the next step was a version which can physically pan 360 degrees in 3 seconds. Ideal if you want to position it somewhere central in a big kitchen/diner, and define up to 4 waypoints the camera can turn to and monitor. Admittedly, the camera does seem to have a habit of panning a little over enthusiastically, and at 15 frames per second the video could be smoother, but the field of view is large enough to see a rogue dog anyway. In fact, the ability to pan is superbly suited to keeping an eye on pets, or raccoons, exploring, and you can always at least give them a verbal warning via the two-way speaker. A nice plus is, if mounted off the horizontal, the pan still works, and, if you're interested, you can choose to have a box highlight the motion the camera spotted. Reasons to buy. 3 months free subscription. Color night vision. Reasons to avoid. Limited to 8 to 32 GB microSD. Only 15 frames per second. Number 4. Ring IndoorCam HD Plug-in Security Camera. Amazon's Ring series of cameras, offered in black or white to fit any room, are simple to install, and not only can you see a live view via a phone app, but if you have an Echo Show, Alexa with a screen, you just need to ask. The system is backed up by an integrated cloud service, of which you get a 30-day free trial, called Ring Protect, and offers phone alerts when it spots motion in an area of the camera's view you define from the 140 degrees field of view. A really nice touch is that the camera is offered as a basic model at a price to beat its competitor from Nest, but if you want extras, like battery backup or weather protection, you can choose different models with similar styling though, oddly, ever so slightly narrower fields of view. There's even a solar HD option for the outdoor version, and a special app, Neighbors by Ring, to build a neighborhood watch group. Reasons to buy. Good level of choice. Available in black or white. Reasons to avoid. Two-way talk. Half-hearted integration with Ring alarm. Number 5. Solo eufy Indoor Home Security Camera. The eufy 2K cameras, including this pan and tilt version, PTZ, and a more traditional cube, take advantage of their crisper image resolution to help the on-device AI detect humans or pets and determine if what's happening is relevant to you. They've also managed to beat the big names in terms of smart home integration. Unlike some eufy doesn't have a reason not to play nice with Apple HomeKit, so, refreshingly, it does work. Night light infrared manages 10m/30ft thanks to 8 LEDs, and on the reverse is a micro SD card slot for recording footage too. There is also a micro USB socket for power and, on the base, a sturdy mounting plate attachment. Setup is made easy by the app, and it seems to offer no complaints about choosing the local storage option, even though there is no subscription. Admittedly, your footage is potentially only stored within reach of a bad actor. Ultimately though, it's great to be able to choose whether you want a fee-paying subscription or not and still get to record. Reasons to buy. Human, pet and crying detection. Pan and tilt. Reasons to avoid. Can't angle down far. Not compatible with eufy HomeBase.